Here is the vicious Savannah monitor. Here it says one has been known to snap off a 12-year-old's arm? That's horrible. Why? I'm about to touch it. Something popped. I think I broke it. Bless you. He sneezed, and I got it on camera.